Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be taking a look at this voice recording module. It's a really easy to use board that can record up to 10 seconds of voice audio at a time. It also features high quality natural voice reduction and can be used as a loudspeaker module. Here are the main features of it. Easy to use 10-second voice recording. High quality natural voice reduction. Can be used as a loudspeaker module. With loop, jog play and single pass playback. Available single chip control. To begin, I will connect the speaker to the module using the provided cable. Supplier has given two jumpers and ears fixed into the module. Now I am going to remove those as I don't want those in this moment. Next, I will supply the module with 5 volt of power. This module is powered by 3 to 5 volt and can be accessed by pin power also. To play back your recording, press the PLAYE button. You can also use the PLAYE button to jog play your recording, or the RPL jumper to enable loop playback. To use the voice recording module, simply press and hold the record button to record your voice. When you are finished recording, release the button to stop.
Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5.
Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4. You can replay the recording message continuously by replacing the jumper back to the PE position. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, testing 1 2 3 4 5. You can use this module as a loudspeaker by fixing the jumper to FT position. To avoid humming the speaker sound, make sure to fix a long wire. For greater sound effects, it is recommended to use the module with the miniature digital audio amplifier board and 3-watt speakers. This voice recording module is a great option for anyone looking for an easy to use and affordable way to record and playback voice audio. It's perfect for a variety of applications, from baby monitors to security systems to educational projects. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on electronic and technology.